Hey guys, how are you doing? And in this episode, we are going to see about Instagram comments not showing on your iPhone. When you tap on the comment icon on your Instagram feed, whether it is Instagram post or Instagram Reels, then it may take long time to load the comments, and sometimes it will say some comments are available with certain numbers. When you tap on it, you will simply see comments not available error. So in such cases, do try these troubleshooting steps one by one, and this will definitely be helpful to fix the issue. In my case, the first troubleshooting helped me navigate inside the settings application and then Wi-Fi. If you are connected to Wi-Fi and experiencing this problem, then inside the connection, by tapping on the information eye icon, you have to select configure DNS. You can see that I have configured the Cloudflare DNS service. Alternatively, you can use Google DNS, which is 8.8.8.8 and 8.8.4.4. And this configure DNS option is only possible with the Wi-Fi network. In mobile data, it was working fine. The comments were loading fine for me, but only I experienced this with my fiber connection. So after configuring the Wi-Fi DNS setting with Google DNS or Cloudflare DNS, I'm able to see the problem already fixed, and both Wi-Fi and 5G connection or LTE connection, I'm able to see the Instagram comments are showing. So do try this as the first step and see if it helps or not. And the second troubleshooting step that you need to do is reinstalling the Instagram application. Once deleted, or tap and hold the Instagram application and remove it completely, and then navigate to the App Store, install the Instagram application once again. So this will definitely be helpful. Of course, you need to log in again with your Instagram account, and most cases the second troubleshooting step of reinstalling the Instagram app also helps. And it could be a minor issue related to your device or the latest software update that you have done. So in this case, you need to restart your iPhone simply by pressing the volume down button and then the side button. You need to press and hold it for few seconds, and you will see the screen where simply slide to power off and restart the iPhone, and that will help you to fix the issue of Instagram comments not loading on your iPhone. So that is all. Do let me know in the comment section which step, the troubleshooting step or the method I have suggested helped you to fix the problem. It could be useful for others to try the same. Thanks for watching, and for more useful iPhone, iPad and Mac related tips and tricks, don't forget to subscribe. Have a wonderful day.